Hi guys, welcome to Roblox study. Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a GUI that opens with a button and closes with another button. So let's get to it. So first you need to go to the start GUI and insert a screen GUI. You can name this everything you can. I'm just going to name it shop GUI. Okay, you shouldn't put a space. There we go. So then you need to go here and insert a frame. You can customize this frame however you want. I'm just gonna make something really quick. So I made this very basic GUI. You can customize it however you want. Then you need to name this really quick frame. There we go. Then you need to go here and insert a text button. This is for closing it. And there we go. So next we are going to close the shop frame and then go to the shop GUI and insert a text button. Then you are going to customize it however you want. Then what you want to do is go to the text button and go insert a local script. Then you can go to the description of the video and copy paste it, but you can follow with me. So you are going to say so you need to close this. Let's just go and let me come to the shop frame, visible off, and let's see if it works. Okay guys, so I'm in the game now. If you guys can see, if I press this shop, the GUI opens, but it can't close. So let's go and finish that. But wait, half of the video is completed, and you're still here? Amazing! How about you drop a sub and like and hit the bell to get notifications for when I upload another video. Back to the video. So for doing that, you need to come to the shop frame, the text button that we made. You need to insert a local script to it, and delete the previous, and come to the other text button we made, and go to the local script. Copy paste this, and come here, paste. Then turn this true to false. This is doing the same thing, but it will turn the shop frame visible to false. And that should be everything. Let's try it out. Now if you guys can see, if I press shop, this will open, and if I close, it will close. You can put anything you want in this UI. You can have a big message that is saying subscribe. And yeah, you guys totally should subscribe right now. Hit that subscribe button if you didn't already. So this is my video. I hope you guys learned something and if this was useful. And thanks for watching.